Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick little video here today. I found this teeny little master lock hanging out outside my work. Picked it up and shot a little lube into it here. Just thought I'd see if we could pick this thing. So I'll go top of the keyway with this little thing. And let's see what it takes to get into here. Yeah, a little master lock number 7. I don't know how you guys always find cool stuff. This is the best lock I think I've ever found. But yeah, let's see what it takes to get inside of here. I want to try to pick from this little ledge if I can get in there. Alright, felt one pin set there. Feels a little gritty inside still. I was laying in the middle of the road for who knows how long. Not getting a whole lot out of here. After that first click. Alright, something in the back moved. Alright, there we go. Holy crap, that shackle does not want to move. Well, as you can see, the core has turned. Maybe I need a little stronger. No. Ah, there we go. Jeez, that was rough. Hey, free lock, can't complain. Anyways, thanks for watching. You can see this thing has seen better days, but hey, still fun to pick. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.